Let me tell you a little story about the scene here. Brought a band down, been playing for some years, but there's a problem too at all the local bars. You find you're near and yet you're so very far. By the beach you know the sounds really matter. Won't let you play unless you got a lot of power. Don't wanna break just by stealing someone's footsteps, man. They won't let you in, 'cause they want the sound of Asbury Park. It comes from the boardwalk, rolls out after dark. The sound of Asbury Park. Oh, won't you let us play too? Won't you let us play too? Bands are playing with that boardwalk of muscle. But play country, they don't do the hustle. Girls in jeans, platform shoes, Miami t-shirts, standing by the speakers all the night until their heads hurt. The Jersey coast is where the stars are born. Ain't got a chance unless you got some funky horns. You'll pay a cover, but we'll do the night for free. Please won't you listen to me, 'cause we got the sound of Asbury Park. It swirls up from the jungle, rolls out after dark. The sound of Asbury Park. Well, won't you let us play too? So won't you let us play too? Of Asbury Park, yeah. It comes from the boardwalk, rolls out after dark. The sound of Asbury Park. Oh, won't you let us play too? Oh, won't you let us play too? Can you shake when they shake? Shake when they shake. Or can you juke when they juke? Juke when they juke. Or can you shuffle off to East Street? Shuffle off to East Street. Yeah, then you know that you can play too. You got the sound of Asbury Park, yeah. It comes from the boardwalk, rolls out after dark. The sound of Asbury Park. But won't you let us play too? So won't you let us play too? But won't you let